Now, l'abbigliamento del conducente di un veicolo a motore a due ruote incide sulla sua visibilità nel traffico. Può essere, quando opportuno, indossare abiti di colore vivaci o con insetti retroriflettenti, ma non esiste l'obbligo di circolare di notte con un giubbotto giallo. Now, it does not exist that you must move in the night with giubbotto giallo refraggente. I've told you that giubbotto for machine, which is their clothes they are wearing to drive, is not one color. You can see red, but in quiz they will tell you it's only black or only red. It's false. So know that one. Know that one. This one is just revision because I've taught you the equipment, what you need driving. È sbagliato affermare che i conducenti dei veicoli a due ruote devono in ogni caso circolare con proiettori abbagliati accesi. It's wrong to tell you that you are going to be driving your machine, motocicli or ciclomotori, with your full light. Your full light is proiettori abbagliati, while your normal light of driving is proiettori anabbagliati. If you confuse yourself, the Chegasa, ok, che in prossimità dell'incrocio possono in ogni caso utilizzare l'avvisatore acustico e che possono sempre circolare sulla strada in cui venga l'obbligo di catene in causa di nevicata. Now, it is wrong to tell you that when you get to junction, you should be making that pam 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 pam, so that they will allow you pass. You that is driving machine, vehicle a due ruote, so it's wrong. So you don't blow on anyhow. I believe you understand what I'm trying to say. Now this one is pericoli per I veicoli a due ruote. They're not talking about due ruote, due ruote, due ruote, due ruote, due ruote, due ruote. If you hear due ruote, know that they're talking about machine, motocicli and ciclomotori. Alright? Soprattutto nel centro urbani costituisce un pericolo per chi conduce un veicolo a due ruote. La presenza di tombini, al solito quiz, di tombini di rotaie detrás pressioni delle strisce pedonali o di altri segni della segnaletica orizzontale. Now, tombini, that iron where tram they pass, that is tombini. Alright? They say that one, it dey pericolo for vehicle of due ruote. Not true. Because if rain fall, if you hold brake for that iron, if it draw you fall. Now another place that is also pericolo. Now when semaphore will hold you, anywhere you see they use white, they drop for ground. Anywhere you see they use white, they drop for ground. That place they drop bike if rain fall. If they drop machine, so they pericolo to them. That's what they are saying here. L'aderenza sul metallo o sulla superfici verniciate, infatti, è generalmente inferiore rispetto a quello sull'asfalto, quindi è più facile sbandare e perdere il controllo del mezzo. I've said it before. Anyway, you see say they use color, do for ground. It is pericolo for machine, bicycle, and motocicli. Because it dey draw. Il pericolo è maggiore se la velocità è elevata, il frenare è con fondo stradale bagnato. I've said it before. The pericolo is more big, the danger is more severe when you are moving on a high speed. Yes, and you can't hold brake for where road for bagnato. That you can't cause problem. Il socco delle rotaie costituisce inoltre un pericolo a sé perché l'attraversarlo le ruote di un ciclomotori o di un motocicli potrebbero essere deviate o perché vi si potrebbe incastrare. We're trying to pass. You see they cause pericolo to bicycle, machine. Take note of that. I've said it before. Now, they say it is wrong to tell you that che prima di attraversare su un rettoie tombini o strisce pedonali where they use white tape mark, where like the past, a bordo di un veicolo a due ruote occorre accendere decisamente oppure alzarsi, meaning raise i piedi sulla pedivelle o impennare, cioè alzare le ruote anteriori, la prima di cambio automatico. Now they say it's wrong to tell you that you dey drive for that trail line, you wan pass, you can't raise leg up. Yeah, the same way you raise leg up is very wrong. It's false. You don't raise leg up. It does not decide. Only what you want to just decide is to be careful. But you don't make decision how to raise leg up or raise the tire up. If not, you want to kill somebody. Yeah. That's what they told us not to do here. The next point. Causa decidente dovuti alla struttura della strada. The cause of accident that can happen on the way. Causa probabile decidente dovuti alla struttura della strada possono essere la this one you can write it down. You will always do this one. You can see this one in quiz. But if you hear Italy, you can just remember anytime you see it. Now, what can easily cause accident on the way? Number one, la ristrettenza della strada, which is called strettoia. Strettoia means road when wide before you come small. And you the fly con you don't know. As the fly con that kind of fly con now collide together. It's called ristrettenza. Second one, now la mancata segnalazione dell'incrocio or delle strettoie. Now, second one, the absence of symbol when you want this incrocio. They not put symbol for there. You not go know, because without symbol, you not go know say you don't need incrocio. Now, they put the sign of symbol for there, of pericolo or of presidenza. Yes, now they put the sign. So, and what if you call accident? And when the sign only there, mancata na absent. Not be miss you, not be I miss you, no. The absence of something. Now we'll go down. La mancanza di segnaletica orizzontale. Segnaletica orizzontale. Now when you want to enter a crocho, so there's one line that you they come, you want to enter runabout. There is one line when they drop for ground. That line is called segnaletica horizontale. When you reach there, you will slow down or you stop. If they could come one, if they could turn around runabout, you stop, make they pass. Either one all day, just they fly, because you fly enter. Can easily cause accident. Assenza di strisce di punte sulla pavimentazione. Yes. They're not drawn for ground. You just fly, come, accident. While the last one, now, il fondo stradale di formato or scivoloso. Scivoloso means draw. What did they call accident? Road, wet. Deformata, see they call accident, gallop. 2. Senza mancanza di segnaletica orizzontale. 3. Mancanza segnalazione degli incroci. They not put a board for incrocio. 4. Ristrettenza della strada. They reduce road. You know what I'm saying? They reduce road when white come small. Now they call accident. If you don't, all what I'll be explaining since if you don't have an idea of anything, this one have an idea. You need this one because you always see it when you are doing quiz. Causa di tamponamenti. Yeah, this one is also very, very important. Very, very. But if you hear Italy, if you hear Italian language, you won't have problem on this. They say the cause of tamponamenti. What is tamponamenti? Collision, collide. When just the way this symbol, this vehicle, they here now. Both of them, they did what? They hit each other. That is collide. In other words, in Italian, they will tell you tamponamenti. Now, i tamponamenti stradali avvengono principalmente. The main cause of this vehicle jamming each other per la forte velocità. Number one, na high speed. Na dey cause say vehicle dey hit each other. Number two, mancanto rispetto della distanza di sicurezza. You no respect la distanza. You no give space to the vehicle when dey your front. You do fall down for back. Na it go make you hit am. Three, when you go fit cause this tamponamenti is la distrazione di conducente. You as a driver, you are a bit distracted. You dey press phone. Only you dey press phone. Oh. Only you want to talk to your wife. Only you want to talk to your children. Only you want they use and they communicate. You are making call. This one, know it, eh? If God so carry you, must see this one in your exam. Because they will have to test you to know your ability of your study. These are the places they just need to test your ability. What can cause taponamenti? Number one, you know, go and find the meaning of taponamenti. No, taponamenti. Vehicle go jam each other, collide together like this one. What if it cause? Number one principal thing that will cause it is high speed, forte velocità. Number two, the absent mancanto rispetto della distanza. You don't respect la distanza di sicurezza. The third thing na distrazione, disattenzione. You get distracted as a driver. Now if it cause accident when vehicle hit each other. Let's go. I repeat this one again. Cause de tamponamenti. What you go fit make car jam each other? Number one, stradali avvengono principalmente per la forte velocità. High speed when they drive, they go make you hit other vehicle collide together. What can still make this kind of thing happen? Tamponamenti, it is vehicle will jam each other, collide together. Second thing, na the absence of respect to la distanza di sicurezza. You don't respect the distance you're supposed to give to vehicle in your front. The third thing is la disattenzione, which is distraction. Disattenzione del conducente. You are being distracted with phone. You are making call, talking, doing things while you are driving. Can make you collide together with another vehicle. Let's go. This one is distrazione del conducente. La distrazione del conducente può essere causa di incidente e rappresenta un pericolo anche se limitata a pochi secondi. Your distraction can cause accident. Yes. Even though it's a small time, you just distract yourself. Pochi secondi, meaning small seconds. Can cause accident. Poi dipendere dall'uso del cellulare, sia phone, della ricerca del comando della radio. You check your phone or you operate your radio or di altri apparecchi elettrici, ma anche della cessione di una sigaretta. You dey on cigar while driving, it distract you, can cause accident. You dey charge phone while driving, distract you, can cause accident. You dey make call while driving, distract you, can cause accident. You dey on radio, you want to play music, tutuka 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 tutu. The gas you can cause accident, distraction. This one, if you see this one, you don't need to read am two times yourself. Suppose get am. Okay, let me check how many still remaining. Mamma mia. Okay, this part is very, very interesting. I must tell you, what you are doing is very, very interesting. Ok, comportamenti riguardanti la sicurezza dei adulti durante la guida. Ok, occorre evitare tutte le azioni che possono portare alla distrazione. They say make you avoid anything when you fit cause distraction. for road. Come programmare il navigatore satellitare o inviare SMS con cellulare. Avoid anything electric, anything you want to send message while driving. In particolare bisogna ricordare che durante la guida è vietato l'uso del telefono cellulare senza l'ausilio di viva voce e dell'auricolare. See, if your motor not get viva voce, not get Bluetooth to connect your phone, if it dey ring, you just press your steering, you go pick. It's forbidden for you to pick or while driving. Now they are giving us advice. È consigliabile sistemare oggetti sotto il sedile del conducente per evitare che, scivolando durante la marcia, vadano a intralciare i movimenti dell'autista. They say it's good to make you are being advised to make you systemize your seat well. So that may not the draw, pin and wear. You as a driver, pin and wear may not the draw during when you are driving. Quando si trasportano bambini è consigliabile inserire il dispositivo di sicurezza che impedisce l'apertura delle portiere dell'interno dei veicoli. Oh, they advise you that if you carry pikin, make you try put on the dispositivi di sicurezza, put the belt on that child, so that in case that pikin go open door for inside. In fact, you lock the door. There's just way you pin the door. That even though the child open it from inside, it will not open. It's an advice they are giving you. And they took this advice from a madman. Il climatizzatore, which is air condizionatore, può essere utilmente impiegato anche nel periodo invernale per sbrinare velocemente i parabrezza, ricordando però che un uso prolungato fa aumentare il consumo di carburante. Carburante is fuel. Now you go dey on, AC when you dey on, they say they consume your fuel well. Take note. Sometimes it come out in quiz. These are cheap question. Cheap question. You already dey consume your fuel. Take note of that. If they play music, boom, 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 boom. They consume your fuel. Aumentare consuming the carburante. You will always read the word of that. Yes. Radio, air condition, heater when you dey on. Anything you on in the car as electric, it go reduce, it go dey consume your fuel. But we cannot do without owning it. We must own it. That air condition, that AC for car. Oh, mamma mia. Okay. This one is comportamenti utili e evitare accidenti. Comportment and how to avoid accident. Per evitare accidenti occorre tra la loro verificare che la spia rossa dell'olio di lubrificazione del motore non rimanga sempre acceso. That's what we call lubrificazione del motore. Oil. Make sure say that oil this thing sign e not dey on always. If you dey on always, that means you don't shut oil, so your car fit catch fire. Tenere presente che lo spazio percorso durante il tempo di relazione mediamente un secondo aumenta con la velocità più si è veloci, più strada si percorre in un secondo. Now, you that is driving, you must be able to give distance so that you can have spazio reazione. What is spazio reazione? As two vehicles are traveling, one is at the front, one is at the back. So the one at the front, the one at the back must make sure the one in the front is, you are not getting closer, very close to the one in the front. So that in case that one in the front, something happens, you can be able to realize the action of the things that is happening. So that you can stop or you can dodge that vehicle in the front. Or you can hold brake because your tempo of tempo, spazio, tempo di reazione, and they help you not to get accident, not to hit vehicle for back. Because the time when you take realize what they happen, you have control over it. Evitare e frenare in fondo bruscamente su strada sciolevole. Avoid things you can avoid. Accident you can avoid. Things you can avoid not to cause accident. Avoid this break when you go especially when the road dey draw rainfall. Avoid it. Fare mentre un punto di freno squilibrati, anche se il conducente è in grado di correggere l'anomalo comportamento dei veicoli agendo sulla stessa. Your brake, know how to hold your brake in a normal way. If you hold it in a normal way, you see what you want. Evitare di manomettere parti dei veicoli. Esempio di centralina elettrica a fine di aumentare le prestazioni o di eseguire personalmente manutenzioni come quello di pompa di iniziali che richiedono l'intervento di persone specializzate. Now they say you should avoid your personal maintenance of your car, especially when it comes to what we call cilindrata, when it comes to pompa di iniziale. Pompa di iniziale na your pump. Your, how will I put it for you? You see your speedometer for your car. When you buy fuel, you get wetin you see say the thing go raise. So that one have connection with your fuel tank. Those things you are not going to be doing it yourself. Go and give it to specializzato, people who are specialized in it, mechanic, and their work be that. The next one, this one I'm not even supposed to teach it because you with your idea supposed to do this one. In causa di pioggia, during rain, what will you do? In caso di pioggia occorre ridurre la velocità, reduce your speed. Aumentare la distanza, increase your distance with the vehicle in your front. Don't need the vehicle too much. Manovra con prudenza lo stesso di evitare di azionare il freno in modo imprevisto e non dosato. Now, you must be able to maneuver in overtake with caution. Evitare l'appannamento del vetro e tenere in funzione i tergicristalli. Tergicristalli na your wiper. Se la pioggia è tensa, if the rain is very heavy, accendere le luci lampadate. If the rain is very heavy, on your light, your normal light. That is why if rain dey fall now, you see vehicles on light. It is wrong to tell you that occorre utilizzare la segnalazione luminosa di pericolo, 4 frecce lampeggianti simultaneamente. Therefore, when you stop, sometimes for road, you press, there is one small triangle in your car. You touch it, then the four side indicator go dey throw light, point. They say it is wrong to tell you that you should on it while driving. That is true. You don't on it while driving. Wow, I love this one. Let me check how minutes remaining. You see how much to go. I love this. Is aquaplaning, perdita di aderenza. Aquaplaning na when erosion dey ground and your tire come dey float on top. With water. Aquaplaning è un fenomeno assai pericoloso che comporta un sollevamento e slattamento delle ruote sull'asfalto con conseguente perdita di aderenza degli pneumatici. Now, aquaplaning they make you lose your adherence. What is the adherence? Adherence now your tire. There is your tire get hole. Alright? And that's your tire. So if you come fire, say that hole not there again. That simply means that your tire, you need to change it. Yes. I know. I hope you know what I'm calling aquaplaning. Erosion dey ground. So you come the drive they go. You come the split water away. Se verifica più facilmente, you will see it where con veicoli leggere. Now, aquaplaning, you will see it where while driving. Car when the throw water pass now, when the throw water pass the drive, when they won't go to split water away. Now, car when daylight, when no carry load, and with speed, alle alte versatilità, complementati molto consumati, with higher when don't consume well. In quanto casa anche basso velocità. If they are confused, even though you know the speed self, you go see the spray without away because tire don't consume. In genere avviene nella corrente deve è più probabile l'accumulo di acqua ed sbaglio dire che aumenta nella carreggiata a forte pendenza laterale che invece facilità di deflusso dell'acqua della strada. Now, I told you how to see aquaplaning well. Si verifica più facilmente. How do you see aquaplaning well? Now, when the car when the pass no heavy, leggere, it dey light. So as they pass, so few go throw away water. Car when they carry load, you know they quick throw away water. So it only dey facilmente to know. Now when it dey facilmente to know when the car no carry load and the car dey light. You will see this one in quiz if we are doing the quiz. Let me check how many remain to go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 to go.